Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your subscribers in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. From your channel dashboard, click Analytics in the left sidebar to open your channel analytics page, which displays an overview chart of your channel's recent performance metrics. At the top of the Analytics view, click the Audience tab to switch to Audience Metrics, where the page loads showing your subscriber count and related audience data. In the audience overview, you'll see your total subscriber count displayed prominently, along with a chart showing how that number has changed over time, and you can hover over any point on the chart to see the exact count on that specific date. The subscriber count you see here updates in real time as new subscriptions come in, though there can be a short delay of a few minutes. If you want to see how your subscribers were gained over a longer period, you can change the date range using the selector at the top right of the Analytics page to view the last 90 days or a custom time frame. Keep in mind that if you have fewer than 1,000 subscribers, YouTube doesn't show you a public subscriber count on your channel page to protect smaller creators from being judged by low numbers, but you can always see your exact total here in Analytics. And that's how to see your subscribers in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.